Download Storyboard app from Play Store. Learn and prepare for various entrance exams but with stories. Link for the app is in the description. Hello everyone, welcome to the history of CAT. So today we solve a problem on logarithm which appeared in CAT 2019. Let's see what is the problem saying here. Let x and y be the positive real numbers such that log to the base phi of x plus y plus log to the base phi of x minus y is equals to 3. So this is the condition number 1 that has been given to me here. And log to the base 2 of y minus log to the base 2 of x is equals to 1 minus log to the base 2 of 3. Okay, then x into y equals, which means I'm supposed to find out the value of x and value of y, multiply both of them, and I get my answer. Okay, that's how the approach should be. So what do I know about logs? Okay, all that I know about logs are the formulas. Okay, so let's use the logs formulas. Okay, so what is being given to me here? Log to the base 5 of x plus y, okay, plus log to the base 5 of x minus y, that is equal to 3. Now all that clicks to me when I see this is I need to find out the value of x and y, and I need to simplify this with whatever formula I know about the logs. So what do I know about the logs? I know the formula. What is the formula? Log of a into b. And what is that equal to? Log of a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b. Correct? This is what we know here. What is being given to me here? Now consider this to be an a and consider this to be an b. The base is same 5, so should not be a worry to us. So this is my a and this is my b. Log a plus log b. This, if I go reverse, what will this be equal to? Log a plus log b. If I go reverse, this will be equal to log of a into b, and that's what I'll do with this. This will be written as log to the base 5 of a into b, which means what? X plus y into x minus y. That's what I get it from here, is equals to 3. So I just applied the reverse of this formula here. Then what do I get from this? So log to the base 5 of this becomes a plus b into a minus b, right? We know this formula. What is a plus b into a minus b? This is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, this is basics of algebra. So I'll apply it here. X plus y into x minus y is equals to x square minus y square is equals to 3. Okay, so that's the first thing that I get from this. What else can I do here? Can I make them to be base e? So I'll write this as log of x square minus y square upon log phi, right? I can write this as upon log phi, which I'll take it here. So I'll write it as 3 into log phi. Okay, now both of them are to the base e. If you can see it here, both of them are to the base e. Okay, so I changed the base from base phi to the base e. Okay, now what do I get from this? If I just do this is x square minus y square. Okay, and this will be equal to what? Phi cube. Okay, taking anti-logs on both the sides. So this 3 will go up. If you're in case you're wondering how is this happening, you know the property of log. This is log x to the base a is equal to a into log x. Correct? This is the property that is being applied here. So this 3 goes to the top, and then I take anti-log on both the sides, so that I remove the log from this. Okay, in case you're not able to visualize this, so let me just go through the basics here. In case you're not able to get this last step, this is nothing but this is log to the base e, and this is again log to the base e of 5 cube. Okay, now if you take anti-log on both sides, then you remove the log. This is x square minus y square is equals to 5 cube. That's what you will get, because the base of both is same, e, so I can take the anti-logs. Okay, so x square minus y square is equals to what? 5 cube. That is nothing but 125. So that is one result that I get from this. Okay, so everything that I know about the logs and the formulas, I applied it here, and I reached to this result where I was supposed to find out the value of x and y. Now let's see this. Now let's see this part, and let's see what can we get from this. So this is log to the base 2 of, let's write it here, log to the base 2 of y minus log to the base 2 of x is equals to 1 minus log. So I can write this as what? 1 minus of log 3 upon log 2, right? Let's log 3 upon log 2. Okay, I am writing this base. If you know the formula of log, I hope you know that. Log to the base a of b is equals to log of b upon log of a. Right, this is something that we are supposed to know. So that's what I did it here. Now base of both of this will be what then? E. Okay, base of both of this is e. So similarly the base of both of this will be e. That's what I did it here. Now what can I do with this? What formula is this? Can you recall what formula is this? A minus b. Which formula is this? This is log of a minus log of b. So log of a by b. Okay, can you recall this formula? What is log of a by b? That is equal to log a minus log b. Correct? Log a minus log b. So now if I go reverse of this, because log a minus log b is given to me, both are having the base as 2 here. And the base is 2 here. So I can safely apply this formula since the base is same. So I'll write this as log to the base 2 of y by x. So I applied this formula. Okay, the reverse of this, log a minus log b was given to me. I wrote this to be as log of a by b, log of y by x to the base 2 is equals to what now? This is log 2 minus log 3, log 2 minus log 3 upon log to the base 2. Okay, so how will I write this now? Let's put this as log 2 minus log 3. Okay, that's what I have it here, divided by what? Log 2. Okay, now what can I do with this? Yes, this log 2 will get cancelled, right? So all that I'll get it here is log to the base of y by x. This is also write it as log 2. Okay, why? Because this formula, log of b to the base a is log b upon log a. So I'll write it in this way. Similarly, this will be log 2 minus log 3 upon log 2. Okay, why did I do this? Because then this gets cancelled. Of course, the log 2, you could have directly done this as well, but I'm assuming that you know only the basic formula. That's why I did it in this way. So now what are you left with? Log to the base e of y by x. Log this is again I am applying this formula. Log a minus log b is log of b by a, right? Log a. So this will be equal to log of 2 by 3. Such that this will be log of a by b is log a minus log b, log 2 minus log 3. Both are having the base as what now? E. This is also e, this is also e. Okay, so now what will I do? Taking anti-log on both the sides. So y by x will be equal to 2 by 3, and that's what I was looking for here. Okay, so if I get this, what do I know now? What do I know about this? Y is equals to 2 by 3 of x. Okay, y is equals to 2 by 3 of x. Okay, now let's just substitute this in any of the equation that we have. Let's substitute it here. So what will I get from this? Y is equals to this, so this will becomes x square. I'm substituting it here. Let's change the color. X square minus this is equal to 4 by 9 of x is equals to what? 125. I just substituted this value in this equation. Okay, and finally I got this. So if we just simplify this, what will you reach here? This will be 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. So 5 by 9, this is also equal to x square, correct? This is also equal to x square because this is y square, so this becomes x square. So 9x square minus 4x square is 5x square is equals to what? Is equals to 125. Okay, that's what I get it from here. Now let us just simplify this to reach to our final answer. So this is 5 1s 5 5 25s, right? 5 2s are 10, then 5 5s are 25, correct? 5 25s are, then what are you left with? 25 into 9. So x square is equals to 25 into 9. Okay, 25 into 9. Now if I take the square root of this, x will turn out to be what? Square root of 25 will be 5 into 3, 15. Okay, so x turns out to be 15, because if I take the square root of this, square root of 25 will be 5, square root of 9 will be 3. So, okay, so 5 into 3, x will turn out to be 15. If x is 15, then what is y? Let's put the x as x is 2 by 3 of x is equals to y, right? So if I just write in place of this x as 15, this becomes 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, 5 into 2, y will be equal to 10. Okay, so I get y as 10 from here, and that's it. My problem is solved now. All that I require is, what is x into y? What is x into y? Okay, so x is 15 and y is 10. X is 15 and y is 10. Okay, so my answer here is 15 into 10, that is equal to 150. 150 is my answer, option number B. Okay, so as you can see it on the board, it's just application of the various formula that we have learned till date. Okay, log of b to the base a, log b by log a, log of a into b, log a plus log b, log of a by b, log a minus log b. Okay, so if you know the basics of formula and you just go ahead to solve this problem, you should ideally get the answer to this in the exam.